today. Good job, Elmo. Elmo's ready to zoom to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we'll get there very soon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! If you're ready to read this fun story with Elmo, clap your hands. Here we go. Five Fuzzy Chicks. Out on the farm, it's been a long day. Sun setting low, night's on the way. Everyone's tired, all the work's done. But 5 fuzzy chicks want to run, 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 run. 5 fuzzy chicks run past the plow, into the grass and under the cow. The cow says, moo, moo. The chicks say, cheep, cheep. But the grass is so cozy, one chick falls asleep. 4 fuzzy chicks skip by the pigs, hop on a rock and dance silly jigs. The pigs say, oink, oink. The chicks say, cheep, cheep. But the moss is so soft, one chick falls asleep. 3 fuzzy chicks dance in the clover, hop past the fence and right over Rover. The dog says, woof, woof. The chicks say, cheep, cheep. But the dog is so snuggly, one chick falls asleep. 2 fuzzy chicks skipping along pass by the horse and sing him a song. The horse says, neigh, neigh. The chicks sing, cheep, cheep. But the hay is so comfy, one chick falls asleep. 1 fuzzy chick out to have fun hops by the sheep and counts every one. The sheep says, bah, bah. The chick starts to cheep, but before she can finish, she falls fast asleep. Chick sleeping here, chick sleeping there, in the grass by the stable, chicks everywhere. Mama hen hurries to gather her troop. She scoops them all up and runs back to the coop. She whispers, cluck, cluck. The chicks whisper, cheep. And their nest is so quiet, 5 chicks fall asleep. The end. Thanks for watching.